What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here. Today I'm going to bring y'all just a really quick video of this light I picked up. I got this at Lowe's Black Friday sale recently. Happy New Year to everybody. If y'all know, I did a Craftsman, which I'll show you as a comparison, halogen work lamp I did right here on the stand. It's got the two big halogen lights, and the cat is interested in this one. But it's Craftsman LED. I'll give y'all kind of an up close, and I just want to do a comparison between the halogen lamp, the LED, and then I have just a regular shop light that you put just a light bulb in. So we're going to go ahead and get into this review real quick. All right, so here's an up close of the light. This is what comes with it. So I'll show you the box first. You see here they say Craftsman, they've got a one year limited warranty on it. See, it's 2000 lumen, water resistant, and it's tripod compatible. And as far as tripod compatible, I'll show you what I did with it with my tripod earlier. So you remember this review here. And if you wonder where I am, I've been doing a lot of work here on the old house, putting a new door in, putting a new floor down. So it's the reason we got these lights and everything in here. But this is the old log cabin I live in. So you can see right here what I did. I hung it like that and just kind of had the light shining. But this thing's really pretty cool, guys. I didn't really pay a whole lot for it. Like I said, it was on sale, and you know, I'm always doing work and stuff, so I'm always needing a good light. But just your little manual here. I'm not really going to go over all the specs, but really just want to show y'all the light itself and the output on it. So Craftsman. Only thing I didn't like about it, now I don't really know if that's, you know, as far as the quality of Craftsman, I don't think it's what it used to be. But if you look really close here, you can see there's some dirt inside. There's a speck in there on the back of the reflector. That's actually manufactured inside, so there's no way to get that out of there. And it's really kind of upsetting that now I'm gonna have to, you know, because when I look at it, it bothers me. You know, it's just one of those little things, but you can see it right in there, a little piece of dirt. Oh well, it doesn't really affect the light output. It's just, you know, it's a quality thing. But you see, you got Craftsman here. Craftsman. All right, so we got the focus Craftsman right here, plastic. You see, it says Craftsman here on the bottom. The light, so I've been messing with it earlier, doing some cleaning and stuff. It's really pretty cool, y'all. Let me show it to you real quick, some of the things it can do. All right, so some cool things that this light can do, y'all. You can fold this thing like all the way flat out. I mean, if you wanted to, let's see this like if you mounted it to something, you could mount it to a tripod here. But you can fold this thing flat out like that. If you wanted to lay it flat out and just have it shine straight up in the air, which I was actually doing earlier. I was doing some work in the kitchen, and you know, with the white ceiling, it helps to reflect the light just kind of ambiently, you know, through the room. Ambiently, I don't know if that's a word, but so what I did is I just kind of had the light like this, and I just turned it up, or even I did it even like that, and just kind of had it shine straight up to the ceiling. So it's very versatile, like the light positions that you can get. And it folds up pretty nice. One thing I found you have to do, you have to take this cord and put it through here, which is kind of aggravating, but you put the cord through here, and you know, you can fold the light. You see, this is how it folds up. So like for storage or transport, you can fold it up like this. You see it goes together nice. And then you can just wrap the cord around it like that. You know, if you're transporting it, you're job site to job site or whatever, or pulling it out your storage building to go in the house, you do some work like me. But it goes like that. Then when you want to put it back together, if the plug is behind you, you just have to take the cord, and it's just a little thing, but I mean, you have to go back through here like that to get the cord back out behind it. So just a small thing. I'll show you the back of it. From using it, the only thing I can tell you it does, you know, with the LED light emitting diode, you can see there's several of them on there. The light itself, it doesn't get really hot like those halogens do. It does get a little warm towards the bottom here, I guess where the power is. Power's going in, but as far as here, it's not really bad. It's not that hot at all, especially compared to those halogens. They'll burn your hand if you aren't careful. You can see right here, you can see a little on-off switch, but it's covered nicely, so you flip it on, off, little rocker switch there. So far everything seems pretty good with that. I guess it's like, you know, like I said, it's water resistant, so it's a little cover in here. So that's a good thing about it. You know, if you're outside working, it starts raining, or if you're in, you know, a moist environment, it won't give you any problems. But what I'm gonna do right now, y'all, is I'm just gonna kill the light some on my camera, so that y'all can kind of get a comparison of this light output versus these halogens. You just got a nice 3-prong cord here. You go ahead and plug that in, just like that. All right, so it got a lot darker here. You can see this room, kitchen in there, fireplace. Can't even see over here, it's so dark. So this is your traditional. I believe I have this is an 800 lumen. You can see right in there, it's a little GE 800 lumen LED, one of the LED bulbs. So this doesn't get that hot either, which is nice. But you know, this is kind of what it looks like. It's a little LED. You know, nothing really to it. Let me show you this the halogen. So this is the big shop light here, and y'all seen a review that I've done of this in the past. I just wanted to kind of give this as a baseline. And these are 500 watts a piece. So this one here actually will go to 250 and then 500. So I mean, that's a total of 1,000 watts. And of course, you know, this single light is not going to compare with that. Y'all can see here how bright that is. I mean, how much light output it's putting out. Like I said, this is just one with the 500 watt Craftsman. You can see there, kind of light output. Now I'll hit the one we're doing the review on the floor. If I plug it in, you can see a little bit of light on, and it must just be a power thing or something with the LEDs. Yeah, see, it's just, you have a little bit of light with no power. But I'll go ahead now. So I'll flip this on, and I'll hold it up, you know, because it'll give you an idea. So this is the LED light, guys. This is a Craftsman. Y'all can see right here. It does a, you know, good bit of output in the room. Like I said earlier, I just kind of draped it right there on that. The only difference is, which I like, I really love the look of LED. So you can see it's kind of got a little bluish tint to it. So hopefully the camera will do a decent job of picking it up. So yeah, you can see a little difference there between the two of them. Yeah, you can see you got a little bluish tint to that one. So not bad at all. Pretty decent light output. We'll just go back to the single one now. Like I said, y'all, I mean, you can put this light down like that. I mean, if you want to turn it, you can turn it up, lay it flat out, hold it, you know, whatever. Pretty versatile. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all. I hope y'all like that out. I hope that's helped you with your decision if you've been looking at getting this light. I'm Kevin Reese. Please go ahead and hit that like button, y'all, and subscribe to my channel. Turn the notifications on so you get notified when I post new videos, and also support me on Patreon. I started a Patreon account. I'll have it linked on my channel also. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.